Hey YouTube, Alyssa Forever here. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I transitioned from a natural daytime makeup look to a nighttime look using a few affordable products I got from the drugstore. I partnered with Rimmel to bring you guys this video, so with that being said, I can just jump right in. I think I'm going to start with concealer this time. I'm going for a really nice daytime subtle look, so I don't want too much going on. So I'm going to try concealer and see if that's enough. This color is 200 Light. Actually, in my previous video, I used the Rimmel concealer and the Rimmel foundation for the first time. So if you guys want to watch that video to hear my initial thoughts and feelings and specs on the formula, you might want to watch that video. I'm leaning towards the less is more approach today with my makeup because it's like 80 degrees out and I don't want my makeup to just melt off. So for now, I'm just going to go for a nice neutral makeup look. And then later on, I'm going to show you guys how I transform this natural look into a night look. So basically, I'm just going to use the concealer to get like my dark circles, anything that's making me look like I'm asleep. Maybe bring some brightness to the high points of my face, like up here, just a little down here. Now I'm going to take a little bit of a darker concealer and use this to kind of give some color back to my face because right now I just look all one color kind of. This is the color 400, so I'm going to just do it around here. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this Insta Fix and Matte. This is a translucent powder. I just don't want my under eye to crease, so I'm going to just set that. I just don't want to have too much caked on makeup today, but under here is kind of necessary for me. I guess I'll add a little bit of this to like up here because I know this is one of my oily spots. I want to add a little bit more color to my face, so I'm going to take this Rimmel sculpting palette and use that middle color, the darkest color, so that we can have that bronze look. Because even when I don't have a tan, I want to look like I got a little bit of something going on. I'm going to take some Scandalized mascara and just put this on my lower lashes since I have lash extensions on top. I'm not going to put it up there, but I am going to put it on the bottom lashes. I'll be putting the links to all the products I used today in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Next, I'm going to go back into this sculpting palette and use this highlight up here. So let's do a little nose action. Get it nice and bronzy and shiny. I'm just drawing attention to all my favorite parts of my face. I like to bring brightness. I like to look tan. I like to be glowing. But you can, like, if you're really close to my face, you can still see my beauty mark. It's not like a full coverage look today. It might look a little full coverage just because that's the way it happens on camera. But I like that it's like a lightweight look, but I still look bomb. The most important part of this makeup look is not the bronzer. It's not the highlighter. It's the lip. Depending on what you do to your lip, it kind of sets the vibe and the mood for the rest of your makeup look. So since this is a natural daytime look, I'm just going for a nice neutral colored lip. I'm going to go ahead and use this Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses lip liner. This is in the color 49 Natural. And I'm just going to line my lips with this. There's 12 different shades of these liners, which means you can have 12 different moods. This liner has a creamy texture, but is designed to give you up to 8 hours of transfer-proof wear. So using this lip liner with their Stay Matte lip color should have your lips kissable all day. The color on these is super vibrant. You probably can't tell with this shade, but so my camera stopped recording and I already put my lip color on. I was trying to explain to you guys some really cool things about it. So this is Rimmel's Stay Matte lip color in the color Pink Blink. What I noticed is with one stroke, you get such a bold color that you don't need to use much product. Not only are there 14 different shades of this, but it's going to be kiss-proof, touch-proof, waterproof. And I was explaining as I was applying it how this is like a velvety matte finish. So it's not going to be super, super drying, giving you those wrinkly, cracked up lips. They're going to give you a nice moisturized matte look. As you can see, I already have it. But I'm going to add some more just so you guys can see how smooth it goes on. Let me try to do a swatch so you guys can see how rich the color is with just one stroke. Ready? That's intense. So basically it dries matte, but it just doesn't feel crusty. Kind of feels juicy and moisturized. I just kissed my hand. When I kiss my hand, it feels juicy, but then I look down, there's literally nothing on my hand. Like, I feel like my lips kind of stick to my hand a little, so I'm like, oh, there's going to be lipstick on it, and there's not. That's so weird. Not weird, it's cool, it's a good thing. Anyway, so this is the finished look. As you can see, the lip was the most important part. It kind of pulled the whole look together and gave off the mood and the vibe I wanted. Like, I wanted a natural daytime look, and I think that this color is perfect. Now I'm ready to go run some errands, catch lunch with my friend, and get out of these pajamas and into some regular clothes. Ooh. Anyway, so I'm gonna head out. I'll be back in a few hours to show you guys how I transformed this look into a nighttime look. And bye. Alright, so I just got back from running some errands, and I can go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna transform. Rolling up my sleeves. So the first thing I'm going to do is just remove my lipstick. So for nighttime makeup looks, you basically just want to darken the makeup that you already have. So I'm just going to start with my lip because I'm most excited about the lip. After I add a dark bold lip color, I might not need to change anything else on my makeup because the lip kind of changes the whole vibe. The lip I want to use is this Rimmel Stay Matte lip color. This is in the color Blue Iris. So it's like a dark blue. It looks really, really pretty. I don't even think I'm going to need a lip liner with this because the color is so bold. And the applicator is going to make it easy for me to like keep it really uniformed around the edges. Ooh, you see how bold that is? One stroke. One stroke. I told y'all, one stroke will tell you everything you need to know. So we got the nice bold lip, but I want to add some more bronzer around my face to give me more color because it is nighttime. And also in this sculpting palette that I had to use the bronzer, there's a blush. And I want to go ahead and add some blush. And the last thing I think will finish off the look perfectly will be like a wing liner. So I'm going to take this Scandalized Precision Micro Eyeliner. This is just a black liner from Rimmel. Alright, so this completes the look. All I used was 3 extra products and they made all the difference. The star of the show was really the lip. It really transformed the look from 0 to 100. I just wanted to show you guys that it doesn't really take much to jump from mood to mood with a few little adjustments. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you at my next upload. Bye!